know that chickpeas are one of the cheapest superfoods you can buy? But most people only think of them as that mushy bean in hummus, or worse, the soggy ones hiding in the salad. If you've ever thought to yourself that chickpeas are boring, stick with me, because after today, you'll see why these little legumes deserve a permanent spot in your kitchen. They're not just versatile, they help with weight management, gut health, and even keeping your energy stable throughout the day. And to prove it, I'm going to break down why chickpeas are a nutrition superstar, share some fun facts that you probably didn't know, and then show you how to make the easiest, most delicious chickpea curry. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Eat Well with Lisha. If you're new here, I'm Lisha, a certified nutrition coach. Every week we break down one ingredient to show you how it can help improve your health and how to actually enjoy eating it. So make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss an episode. So let's talk chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a plant-based protein powerhouse. Just 1 cup packs about 15 grams of protein and 12 grams of fiber. That fiber, it's gold for your gut health. It feeds your good gut bacteria and helps keep digestion smooth. They're also rich in iron, folate, and magnesium, which support energy, blood health, and muscle function. And because chickpeas are low on the glycemic index, they won't spike your blood sugar, making them amazing for sustained energy. But that's just the nutrition side. Let's nerd out a little bit. Chickpeas are one of the earliest cultivated crops, dating back over 7,000 years to the Middle East. So yeah, when you're eating them, you're basically participating in ancient history. There are 2 main types. Kabuli, those are the big cream colored ones we usually see in the US, and Desi, smaller, darker, and used a lot in Indian cooking. I apologize if I pronounced either incorrectly. Chickpeas show up in all kinds of forms: dried, canned, chickpea flour for gluten-free baking, even chickpea pasta. So if you're trying to sneak more protein and fiber into your diet, boom, chickpeas got you covered. They're also ridiculously versatile. You've got curries, soups, falafel, salads, pasta alternatives, or blended into dips like hummus. Fun fact: the liquid from a can of chickpeas is called aquafaba. People actually whip it up to make vegan meringues, mousse, and even cocktails. Crazy, right? Now, if you've ever only had chickpeas straight out of the can, you might think they're bland or too soft. That's why I want to show you how to turn them into something creamy and flavorful. So up next, I'm sharing my favorite recipe for chickpea curry. So that is chickpeas. Nutrient dense, versatile, and way more exciting than the soggy version you might be used to. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it and learned something new about chickpeas. And if you have a suggestion of another ingredient you'd like me to do, please drop them in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next one.